So when do I think you should upgrade your GPUs?
I'd say 6 to 12 years, because very broad. There's pretty good cards from older generations, pretty good cards from newer generations. Overall, you can stick with an older card. I'd say the newer cards are much better. But for like work, hardcore gaming, I'd say 2 to 4 years. And then anyone else, just skip a generation or two if you're wanting a brand new PC constantly. But overall, just upgrade when you need to and your game stop working. Finally, I linked my Discord on my YouTube page. So if y'all want to join, go check it out. It's a pretty good YouTube channel. We got some very active members in there right now. But join. But overall, subscribe and comment what GPU you're running.